Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide photos in gallery on Google Pixel 9. To hide photos in gallery, go to gallery, go to Photos app here, and then you can choose a photo you want to hide and click on three dots, then move to locked folder, continue, move, wait a moment, and now when you go to library and locked, you need to open the locked folder with your screen lock. You can turn on backup if you want, and here are the photos that are hidden. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.